Welcome to Mind's inaugural Workplace Wellbeing Index Awards. We think the index has the potential to be a game changer in workplace mental health across the country.
There's people from all sorts of different sectors, from great big corporate multinationals with huge HR departments down to tiny little primary schools, and hopefully the fact that we're all involved means that we'll spread the word and other people will get involved.
Well, the Wellbeing Index was incredibly important for Deloitte. Being a professional services firm, accounting firm, measurement and metrics are incredibly important to us, and it was great to be able to measure the impact that we'd had in the organisation and set goals for the future, because we'll always be looking to improve, I think, on the index each year.
As we began to try and think about ways to address mental health, it was very difficult to find the sort of avenues or the routes in to start talking about it. But the Mind Index provided those routes, it provided that framework from which we could build on. It provided that mechanism to get the teams talking about it.
In September 2016 we signed up to the index, and for us this showed a real commitment to wellbeing. It's such a positive step to supporting mental health in the workplace. Of course, this is only the beginning of an exciting journey to continue the good work that we're doing, and I believe that only working with Mind can only help us going forward.
We were just delighted to get a silver award. It has just been end of one chapter, but of course a new one is starting up now for us to see whether we can achieve gold in the future.
Our vision is to inspire excellence, and we were really aware that in order to do that we needed a fit, well and happy team, which I'm proud to say we do have. We are still very much at the start of our journey. This is a great award to just keep us going along the same route.
We're stunned that we have won gold today, and hugely pleased and proud. If you want to understand where you are with mental health and what you need to do to improve, then the index is a really good way of doing that.
The benefit of getting Mind involved is they're an independent organisation who are the leading experts in their field, and they're able to look at what you're doing and give you advice and input, kind of validate the things you're doing well and give you advice on how you can improve. And because they're working with lots of other organisations, you can learn from the other best practice that's going on.
Finally, this issue is on the agenda. Now we're beginning to stand up and be counted. And if ever this was a moment when this is the time to deliver that change, it's now.